Today is a special holiday. The Thai people are celebrating Loi Krathong, which is a holiday that celebrates making amends, washing away negativity, and asking for forgiveness from the water goddess for polluting the environment and the waterways. That's basically it in a nutshell. But in order to wash away the negativity, you create these really nice baskets made out of like banana leaves and flowers and other decorations, and then you put that into the water. And you're gonna see this. It's pretty interesting. Also, earlier I tried my hand at making my own krathong, these guys. Back in my condo, the juristic people put together a nice table and supplies to kind of make your own basket. But it takes way too long to make. You know, like each one of those baskets has like at least like 50 banana leaves that you have to fold up. Then you've got the decorations. You can see the vendors are lining up, ready to sell their little krathong baskets. 40 baht, that's a pretty good price. But they're very creative, nice designs, very festive. Oh, we got Cheeto ones.
60 baht, you.
60 baht, okay.
60 baht for one.
60 baht for one, okay, thank you. Wow. It looks like you can eat this. So the table is just lined up all the way. Both sides of the street, or both sides of the entrance. Which one should I pick? I think I like this one. Okay. Yeah. 40 baht. 60 baht.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna keep this with me until it's the time to put it into the water. But it's not a bad looking one. Yeah, so everybody's coming out right now. I think it's about 6 o'clock, or maybe a little earlier. But I just noticed on these, it has a candle and it has incense. So I'm gonna need a lighter. I'm gonna need a friend to help light me up when I put this into the water. Oh, it looks like people are putting their baskets into the water already. Let's go take a look. So an interesting thing I just noticed. Usually I see people along that edge, all the way over there, up to the lotus statue or monument. They're usually putting it over there, but I see everybody got blocked off and they put a barrier. See that blue thing? The water barrier here. So I guess everybody is launching their baskets in this area. Maybe it'll help make it easier to clean up afterwards. It's starting to fill up now. It's more fun at night, of course, because you're lighting up the candles. But now that I have my basket, I have to figure out what do I have to make amends for, what have I done wrong, ask for a little forgiveness. Okay. So I did my part. I put my basket in the water. Let's see, some good fortune comes my way. I hope good things come to all of you as well. And thank you for watching. Talk to you guys next time.